How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our Raptor TIR Visor light bar. So when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar go into your cable harness here, and you'll notice a connector. And this is to be used with our optional Grand Control, or you can cut this off in Hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll have your main power cables here, and then you'll have your backlight LED cable here, and then you'll have your aux line here where you can connect up to 10 amps of extra lighting off of your optional Grand Control. Now with our Grand Control box, you'll have your power button, you'll have your mode 1 and mode 2 buttons with dual flash pattern memory, you'll have your pattern changer button here, your takedown button, your aux button, your dim functionality, and your backlight functionality for your control box. So let's go ahead and get this light bar hooked up and go over the functions. So for example here, I'm using our optional Grand Control. So you'll have your power button, you'll have your mode 1, where I have one flash pattern saved, and then in mode 2, I have a second flash pattern saved, so you have dual flash pattern memory. And then here you'll have your pattern changer button, which works whether you're in mode 1 or mode 2 to change flash patterns. Then you'll have your TD button here, which will activate your 2 white steady burn takedown lights, and we do offer a multicolor upgrade here. And then here you have your aux button, and then your dim functionality, which will dim the LEDs on your light bar. And then you have your backlight button here, which will activate the red backlight LEDs on your switch box. And your backlight function can be activated by the button here or via Hardwire, your white cable here. Now I did bring a red-blue color example here, but we do offer these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating. So let's go over a few of those. So for example here, I brought a green clear alternating color setup, and then in the middle I brought an amber solid color setup, and up front I brought a red blue half-half color setup. But again, we offer these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating, and we have our customization tool if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle. And you'll notice all of my light bars are on different flash patterns, but all of these light bars will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, plus dual memory. When it comes to using our optional Grand Control, you can activate the red backlight LEDs via your button here, or you can use your white cable to Hardwire. Now if you use your white cable to Hardwire, your button will become inactive, so you can either use your white cable or the button on your control box. When it comes to mounting your light bar, you'll get your included universal mounting brackets, and those will attach via the back track of your visor bar, and then you'll have your bottom screw holes here if you need to use the base mounting brackets. And we also offer optional vehicle specific mounting brackets and our optional windshield visor extender. So that covers our Raptor TIR visor light bar. Make sure to watch the flash pattern video to see all the flash patterns that are included with these units, and also use our interactive player to fully demo your lights online. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.